Georgia Expo has put together a portable backdrop kit just like the one behind me. It's easy to set up and easy to transport. Take a look.
When you open your hard case, you'll find everything you need to build your frame. You can add a backdrop to your kit, or you can use this kit with a backdrop you already have or any backdrop you find that will work with a 10-foot drape support. The first thing you'll need is to assemble your cross bases. First, remove the screw from your pin. Then, place the notch of the top of your cross base over the bottom piece and insert the screw. Hold the screw tight with your hand and screw on the pin. Use a coin to tighten it as much as possible. Next, click together your drape support and uprights. Using your drape support, measure the distance between your bases and slide your uprights over the pin. Slide the top pocket of your backdrop through your drape support and slide the hook end into the slot. Since you are probably not 8 feet tall, a quick tip to get your other hook end into the second slot is to pull your upright off the pin and angle it to access the top slot. Push the upright back over the pin and you're done. This kit is perfect for quick photo backdrops, vloggers, trade shows, community events, photo studios, anything you can think of. This kit allows you to get creative. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and comment if you have any questions about the photo backdrop kit. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials from Georgia Expo. Thanks for watching!